clear. Every quiet step brings the future near. No walls to block us, no gates to hold. The morning is painted in liquid gold. Step into the light, standing on the border of a brand new day, throwing all the old maps and guides away. The bout key rings with a joyful sound, walking on the firm and solid ground. We leave the deep canyon of shade behind, with a peaceful spirit and a quiet mind. Every single turning leads to the sun.